Welcome to Kondalilla Falls, Kondalilla National Park. The time is 8:34 in the morning. Let's go for a walk. I'm not exactly sure how far the walk is. I've done this before, but I can't really remember. Maybe less than an hour. So it's been a while since my last hike. There's been a lot of things coming up, like just life in general, work, and we're just past the stormy season. And actually we had our last storm yesterday, I think. Yeah, yesterday morning. So I thought I would take advantage of this beautiful weather and go on a nice hike down to the falls. Okay, so Kondalilla Falls Circuit says the complete circuit is 4.6 kilometers. It's not overly far. There are a few falls on the way, so smaller falls. We'll stop and have a look at those. It shouldn't take us too long to get down, but it might take a little bit longer to get back up because some of these paths are quite steep. The first one's actually not far. Not far at all. I don't know if you can see through there, but yeah, just over there. Amazing. That's just like a picture perfect rainforest view. So beautiful. Yeah, that's amazing. Now you could imagine how nice the big falls are. They're about 80 meters high from recollection. I haven't been here for years, and the last time I was here I was fit enough to climb halfway up the falls, but I'm definitely not going to try that again. have to say that after my last walk just at the beach near my house, testing my gimbal out, I have a chest mounted gimbal. I feel it works rather well. The problem with these action cameras is they have electronic stabilization, and it starts to fail in darker conditions. So it works well in lighter conditions, so I'll be interested to see how this one goes. It's quite dark in here. Can hear the cockatoo. Obi Valley Lookout. Yeah, let's have a look at this. I remember this now. Beautiful lookout here. That's right. You can't see the falls, but you can certainly hear them. Let's keep cruising. As you can see, the path is really well paved, so if you have too many walking issues, this is actually not too bad. Good morning. Yeah, that's so beautiful. And that goes down to the falls. So there's a lookout, 190 meters, and the falls down here.
Spectacular.
Yeah, certainly is. So beautiful. Okay. Yeah, good, thanks. How are you?
Yeah, not bad.
Morning. Wow. That's spectacular. Thanks everyone for coming along and following my journey today. It was a rather nice walk, nice day. I'll see you all next time.